I found the top 3 penny stocks to either buy or avoid in November. I really did. I had a series where I made 20% average returns per week. I ended that series and I didn't make 20% the last week, but those stocks ended up doubling anyway. It was my full-time job back then. Now, for the first time in a while, we're gonna take a look at my penny stocks, the ones that I like going into November. I'm just gonna go through them, and I'm also gonna give you guys my ratings. Without any further ado, just sit back, relax. This video is gonna be very short with concise information about all these 3 stocks that I really like, and let's get started. Alright, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, first off, if you want to know about the best penny stocks, be sure you're subscribed. And I'm just going to keep giving you guys the best ones that I think are good. And I'm also going to keep making videos about what penny stocks Wall Street thinks are good. Not wasting any more time here, Denison Mines, stock ticker is DNN. Now, we've talked about this penny stock about 1 billion times in the past, and you guys know about it. I know about it too. Year to date, it's up something like 158%. So 158%. That is due to the bullish sentiment on uranium stocks. Uranium mining penny stocks have just been absolute monsters this year. This one's actually supported by Wall Street, and the reason I'm buying it in November, this seemingly random and illogical downturn in the stock recently. So this drop really happened after Denison made public and completed the sale of GovEx shares and warrants. GovEx is another uranium stock. The most important takeaway here is that if the warrants are fully exercised, which I doubt they will be because they have an exercise price of 80 cents, and GovEx is trading at about 40 or 30 cents depending on which exchange you're looking at. So they won't be receiving 26 million, but the gross profits seem to be around 15.6 million for Denison. And uranium has taken a bit of a backseat lately, so I don't expect any gains necessarily in November, but the word on the street about similar stocks is that they can still go up by about 50%. I think this stock can still reach $2 or $3 in 2023, so I'm most definitely buying the dip on DNN. I'm rating it an 85 out of 100. Obviously for entertainment purposes only, don't think of that as financial advice. I know you guys like it when I do it, so it's for fun, alright? This is my trade. I win a lot of them, but I don't win everything. Also, you don't have me on speed dial, so you don't know when I'm exiting this position. Probably long term though, around the year 2023 or 2024, I'm completely out of uranium. Alright, I went on a bit of a tangent there, but this is my video, and you know, this one's all about me, and you guys like it, I like it, so it's great that we can still hang out on the channel and do things like this as well. Because so many other YouTubers, they just don't know what they're doing, and I always have the best interest for you guys. So just take a look at this. This is the second stock that I'm looking at from November. Penny stock, that is. Borks Technologies, stock ticker BRQS. So this stock's just trading at the low price of 60 cents, but it has traded at over $3 beginning this year. Volume per trading session in the last few days is on average 20 million right now, and this stock has started to make some jumps, potentially back to $2 or $3. Now on the surface, this company doesn't really do anything crazy, not anything that groundbreaking right here. They create their own Android-based client software. So you're probably asking, why are you telling me this? Why are people just suddenly buying this stock? It's crazy. This whole situation just became a lot more interesting to everybody on the OTC markets that's following this stuff closely, because they just acquired 51%, making them the majority shareholder of Halu Hao Energy. So this is already paid for in cash secured through recent financing. And now their subsidiary Holo Hao is already getting commissions, big commissions. So they're gonna get to work on the workforce housing project in Hawaii. And as a result of that, the OTC listing, which is still trading at under a penny, went up 17% before the close. I think this stock can absolutely crush it. I don't think a lot of people know about this right now, so I'm giving it 77 out of 100. And in case you skipped the video, this is not financial advice. I know you guys skipped this video. Don't do it. Don't ever skip around, because you might miss something important and then you'll get the completely wrong ideas. And that's just what I do. I keep these videos short for a reason. I don't like to waste your time. So getting into it here with number 3, and we're gonna wrap this up really quickly, but this is one I really need to talk about. AIKI Pharma, stock ticker AIKI. It's an oncology biotech penny stock working on cancer treatments. This penny stock's only seen on Wall Street once, and it's by an absolute Goliath H.C. Wainwright, and they're saying it's good for a 124% upside. So that is what you absolutely love to see, and recently it's been trading up. Last month has actually been very bullish for AIKI stock, and Wall Street likes this one because they're also crossing with the EV market, which to their credit has been very good in the last 20 days, I'm sure you've heard. With Tesla, I think, close to doubling again from their yearly lows. So let's talk about the deal in question here, causing me and Wall Street to be more bullish on this stock than ever. The headline reads, AIKI Pharma secures interest in electric truck maker Teva Motors. Now what that means is that they're not the majority shareholder, but they just have equity. Now, Teva Motors is a private company. This becomes very interesting because investors that want to trade that stock are going to be doing it through AIKI. Like they said themselves, they've just taken an opportunity to get into the EV field. Now, what makes this interesting is that they're able to exit this position in early 2022, as stated by them, and Teva has flirted with the idea of going public in early 2022 as well. and this is the company that's actively competing with Workhorse. So Wall Street loves that. They're rating this for an absolutely massive upside of over 100%. I also think this penny stock can go very, very far, and I think there's a huge catalyst that everyone's missing, and that is it's been about a month and we're waiting for more details to come out about this transaction. I hope they're not going to make us wait to the Q4 earnings reports, but we're going to have to see. For now, me and Wall Street think this is very good, and also this is not financial advice. Be sure to do your own due diligence, obviously, but if you do want to catch these things directly when they come up, we're talking about penny stocks here. Be sure you subscribe. With that being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.